let's talk dash cams. This here is the Vantrue N4 Pro S. My name is Christopher from Cars Unlocked, and I'm here to show you why this might be the best dash cam for you to buy in 2026. Now this dash cam records in 4K. It has a front-facing camera, a rear camera, and a cabin camera, and it could save you thousands of dollars if you're in an accident.
I feel very blessed.
With the heavy winter we've been getting, the rising theft and rising insurance costs, I figured it's a good time to invest in a dash cam for me and my wife. It's perfect if you live in an apartment or indoor garage where you're keeping your cars parked and there's a lot of theft. Once it senses someone entering the car, or it senses a bump in the car or a shake in the car, it uses the sensors to automatically start recording. Really handy if someone chooses to break into my car. I'm often leaving valuables in my car, camera gear, things like that. This feature is going to be huge if you're an Uber driver or if you're worried about interior accidents. I'm going to be parking my car at the airport this week for about a week, so I'm going to have some peace of mind while my car is parked at the airport. I'll be able to record anything that happens to my car during that time I'm away. Now here on the channel, I don't usually talk dash cams, but if you're into car reviews, how-tos, tutorials, or car tech, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Initial thoughts on this thing, right when I opened it up, the build quality is solid. Feels premium, doesn't feel like those cheap Amazon ones that I've seen on other cars in the past. The buttons are nice tactical hard buttons down below, and the mount is solid. The screen is bright and also is easy to use. But let's talk about the camera. The biggest selling point for me is the triple camera setup. Woo! You got a 4K camera, a rear camera, and an interior cabin camera with the built-in Sony Starvis 2 sensors. I chose to add a few accessories. The circular polarizer, I went with a 64 gig memory SD to add in my package, but you can choose any SD you want up to 1 terabyte, so a ton of storage can be recorded on your SD card. And just for fun, I added this portable air compressor so I can clean the snow off of my car and the cameras in these heavy winter months. This means you got full coverage on the front and on the back and inside the car if you want to monitor the kiddos. Woo! Front camera records in true 4K resolution. Plus you have the Plate Pix technology, which is going to fully capture license plates in HD format, so you don't have to worry about capturing a license plate if someone hits you. You also get the infrared night vision for the interior camera, so even in total darkness at night, it can still see what's happening inside your car. In the description below, I'm gonna leave my links here for you to purchase this. You can purchase it on Amazon or on their website. Right now, if you use my exclusive code, you can get a 30% savings, which we're gonna put in the description for you below. There's also collision detection and sudden braking. So if it senses a sudden brake or a collision, it will actually lock that file so I'm not overwriting that file with other footage. It tells me the speed I'm going right on the camera here, and it will log your speeds as well. Insurance companies know one false accident, one false claim, and your insurance is going to be hard to obtain in the future. So if this could save you a lot of money on an insurance claim, this camera is basically going to pay for itself, and that's why I chose to go with this one. Woo! I can also change all these angles with the buttons here, so I can see my backup camera, I can see my forward facing camera. Just with the touch of a button, I can make quick changes. And then there's all different settings you can play with. If you want to change your microphone, you want to change any of the resolution settings or the record quality to save on space, you can really customize this to fit your actual needs. I feel like it's a good safety feature to add to my vehicle, as this car that we're in doesn't fully come with any dash cam technology. Another thing that I really like is it took me about 2 minutes to pair my phone to the camera, and now I can see all my footage on my phone. See, I can start recording, stop recording, I can see all my local footage in my folder here, and it really helps me check my footage so I don't have to keep taking my SD card out. Here's all my normal video footage, and there's everything we've recorded in our last few drives. So I really like the fact that I can sync it to my phone and access all of the footage right from my phone versus taking the SD card out. Download the app and connect your phone and use the handy tools with the phone. Out of all the dash cams I've seen and tried, this seems to be the best bang for your buck that I have tested. If you want the Vantrue N4 Pro S, our link is in the description below. You can buy it off Amazon or directly from the website. And if you use our code UNLOCKED, you can save yourself 30% off checkout. So it ships to Canada, ships to the US. Check out the link. And if you guys have questions or anything about the camera, I'm gonna be your go-to. Put it in the comments or share this video with a friend if they're looking for a dash cam for their car. Thank you for watching.